Students, what is the next question? Explain construction and working of moving coil galvanometer. Okay, so how it looks. Out of a concentrator, let me explain the theoretical part. Students, what exactly we are going to consider? We are going to consider one coil. Okay, coil of n number of turns. Coil of what? N number of turns. Let the name of that coil is what? P Q R S. Okay, this coil is placed between horseshoe magnet. Okay, you will find such type of magnet over here, carrying two poles, north and what? South. Okay, students, this particular coil is connected to mirror and it is what? Suspended. Okay, end of this coil coming like this and is connected to what? Helix. Okay, what is the use of this helix? I will tell you. Wait and watch. So this is simple construction of this particular what do you say? Moving coil galvanometer. Name itself is a galvanometer. So just understand the now working. In the working, when current is flowing, when current flows, okay. So what we observe over here, we observe that when current is flowing in this direction, what is the direction of magnetic field? You know that is the direction of what? Magnetic field. Okay. And what is right hand rule? Current is flowing like this, magnetic field is like this. So what is the force? Force is, you can see, force is towards you, towards away from the board. So for this PQ, force will be like this, F. Okay. And when current is flowing through this area, as we know, what is the force ka formula? I told you already. I told you what is the force ka formula? I love Bharat sin theta. I love Bharat sin theta. When current is flowing through this direction, through QR, so QR में current is flowing like this, magnetic field is in direction like this. What is the angle then? Sin 90. Then what is the force through QR? Will be what? I love Bharat. But there will be some force. When force current is flowing through SR, when current is flowing through SR, the direction of current will be like this. Direction of field will be like this. What is theta here? 0 degree. When theta is 0 degree, what is sine 0? 0. So what is the force due when current is flowing through RS? 0. So there is no force. Here force is what? 0. Here also force is what? 0. But what about this PS when current is flowing like this? So now I will apply the Fleming left hand rule. Sorry, right hand rule. So current in this direction, then force will be what? Away from us. Matlab what? It is into the board. Matlab we observe that on PS force is what? Like this into the board, and for QR force is like this. But if you observe that, suppose if I draw the like this, so for this particular PS force will be in this direction, and for the QR force will be in this direction. Matlab you observe that two forces are acting. One is what? In the downward direction, one is in the upward direction. Then some torque will produce. Now the concept torque will come, tau. The symbol is what? Tau. Okay. The torque will produce. I will tell you which topics are deleted or not. Let me complete first moving coil galvanometer. Okay. So students, when current is flowing, the force in two arms we observe, PS and QR, like this. The torque will produce. What is torque? Torque is given by Bina sin theta. Okay, you should understand the formula. Bina. Bina. Okay. What is N here? Number of turns. Current is what is total current? As I told you. Okay. B, that is magnetic induction, into current multiplied by number of turns, and what is A? Area. Okay. So like that you have to remember the formula. Tau is equals to what? Bina sin theta. What is theta here? Theta is 90. So what is the tau ka formula we got? B now. Remember this. So students, let me again explain you. Due to this current, there are two opposite, equal and opposite forces acting on the arm PS and QR. So due to this particular two equal and opposite force, torque will be generated. That torque is called deflecting torque. Okay. तो इस torque को हम लोग नाम देंगे deflecting torque. So what will happen? Then coil is going to move. Coil rotate होना चालू हो जाएगा. When coil is going to rotate, what will happen? Helix. Helix is like a wire. जैसे हमारा टेलीफोन का इसका होता है ना लैंडलाइन का वायर. So this is a helix wire. This is spring type structure. When rotate, it is what rotating. Then what will happen? Then spring में एक restoring force will be generated. And when current is zero, again that turns back. वापिस वो अपने पोजीशन पे आना चालू होता है. वो पॉइंटर. You know like galvanometer, milliampere, ammeter, voltmeter. What will happen? When current is passing, they will show some deflection. When current is zero, voltage is zero, again it comes to the original position. Why it comes to the original position? Because of helix. Matlab there is something is there that is called restoring torque. This is called deflecting torque. Then equal and opposite restoring torque will be generated, and that is equals to what? C into theta. What is C stands for? C stands for what? Torque constant. C stands for what? Torque constant. And what is theta? Theta मतलब deflection. जितना ज्यादा deflection होगा उतना ज्यादा torque generate होगा. As I told you ना, जितना ज्यादा deflection होगा उतना ज्यादा torque होगा. Means deflecting torque is always equal to restoring torque. So now I am going to finalize the formula. Formula will be like this. Remember that the thing is what? Deflecting torque tau d is always equal to tau r. What is tau d we prove? B-I-N-A, Bina. Okay, what is tau r? C into theta. Okay, so students, what is the formula final way to prove? I equals to, what is I equal to? C upon B and A into theta. This is the formula for current flowing through the moving coil galvanometer. Okay, in your syllabus, आपके textbook में instead of C, no, they use K. Okay, so don't be confused. And instead of theta, they use phi. So this is what formula for I. Okay, this is what they instead of C they use K. K stands for torque constant, and instead of theta they use phi. Okay, so don't be upset, don't be confused. सर ने बताया C upon Bn और एग्जाम बुक में दिया K upon Bn, both having same meaning. Hope so you understood the construction working and the mathematical formula of current flowing through the MC.